Welcome to my channel again. Thanks for watching me. So today we're going to speak about interesting facts about Kenya. And we're going to go straight to number one. Number one, Kenya is a large exporter of coffee. Kenya highly exports coffee, and coffee is a large income generator of the country. Unfortunately, Kenyans do not consume coffee. What Kenyans do is they drink tea, which is well known as chai. So, being that Kenyans work so hard to export coffee, they do not consume the coffee, instead keep this for exportation and end up drinking tea. So that's our number one. Number two, Kenya produced the first woman, the first African woman to win the Nobel Peace Prize in 2004. And this is the late Wangari Maathai, who won the Nobel Peace Prize. So Wangari Maathai was a very active environmental activist who always fought for human rights as well. Unfortunately, Wangari Maathai died and she is late now. Number three is M-Pesa. M-Pesa is a mobile money transfer system that is used to do transactions. This is well known and widely spread in Kenya. Kenya is the only country that uses mobile transfer transaction. And with that, I mean M-Pesa. M-Pesa is widely used and billions of dollars are transacted through the system, through this platform. So most of the Kenyans use M-Pesa to pay electric bills, to pay the school fees, to do shopping, and many other things. So M-Pesa is widely spread in Kenya, and it's the only money transfer that is known in the world so far. Number three, Kenya is well known for its geographical sites, reservations, and beautiful safaris, wildlife, animals, etc. Yeah, being that tourism is much or widespread in Kenya, Kenya has diverse geographical sites, from mountains to hills to small mountains to lakes to freshwater lakes, salty water lakes, to wide sandy beaches, to the Indian Ocean, to the safaris, the big five in the safari or in the reserved national parks, flamingos, diverse species of birds, and many other things to offer. Kenya is well known and widespread with tourism and many adventures to offer what concerns the geographical sites and safari adventures. The last point, last but not least, no, the second last, Kenya is a well-known exporter for cut flowers. It's a heaven for flowers. Flowers are grown widely in Kenya, and Kenya manages to export, to get them also for export. which also brings up a lot of income in the country. So Kenya is so far the third producer of cut flowers worldwide. With its favorable sunny climate, flowers can do very well in such climates, and this makes it a very large exporter of cut flowers. The last point is Kenya is well known for Olympic champions. It's a home for Olympic champions. David Rudisha, Kipchoge Keino, and many other Olympic athletes who have always scooped the gold medals all over the world. In Beijing, China, there was a London Marathon and many other places in the world. Well, Kenya is a known place for Olympic champions. It's a home for Olympic champions, and they always scoop medals. They run to the race to the end of the cut line and scoop the medals and take the pride back home. So I am proud to appreciate our all athletes for everything that they do to us. And with this, I bring this video to an end. Drop your comments down there and get me some more other facts or more interesting facts about Kenya. Bye.